Guten Tag, meine Freunde. Welcome to Fun German Lab. This video is the German lesson for beginners edition part 1, where we will transform you from beginner to bilingual in no time. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever dreamed of strolling through the streets of Berlin, effortlessly blending in with the locals? Well, today is your lucky day because we are starting this lesson with the topic greetings. Get ready to charm your way through any conversation like a true Deutsch expert. Now, let's dive into our first lesson, the essential German greetings that will have you feeling like a local in no time. The first one is Hallo. It means hello. Hallo. Whether you are greeting a friend or a stranger, hello is the perfect way to start a conversation. For example, Hallo, wie geht es dir? It means, hello, how are you? Second, Guten Morgen. It means, good morning. Guten Morgen. Start your day off right with a friendly good morning in German. For instance, Guten Morgen, hast du gut geschlafen? It means good morning. Did you sleep well? Number 3, Guten Tag. It means good day. Guten Tag, perfect for those sunny afternoons when you want to spread some cheer. You can use it like this. Guten Tag, wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? Good day, how can I help you? The fourth one, Guten Abend. It means good evening. Guten Abend, time to bid farewell to the day and greet the night with style. Try saying Guten Abend, schönen Abend noch. It means good evening, have a nice evening. 5. Tschüss. It means goodbye. Tschüss, a casual and cool way to say goodbye to your newfound friends. You can simply say Tschüss, bis bald. It means goodbye, see you soon. Number 6. Auf Wiedersehen. It means goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, for those formal farewells that leave a lasting impression. Use it like this. Auf Wiedersehen, es war schön, Sie kennenzulernen. It means goodbye, it was nice meeting you.